Hey guys, this is Richard here. Anybody that owns a smartphone definitely have at least one charging cable with them. But what if you need a spare, in case it got lost or it becomes faulty? TechElect is one company that provides such a cable. This cable was provided by them free of charge for me to give an unbiased and honest review. This is the important question: does it perform as advertised? The quality of the cable feels great. It comes with braided cords that's made of nylon fiber, which is stated to be durable and tangle free. I have been using it like normal, without the need to be mindful of it. The cable doesn't tangle, but can be easily kept with the Velcro attached to it. One thing I noticed are the strands of fiber that are appearing out of the cord. Hopefully the strands will not pop up all over the place with longer use. The connector that connects to your phone USB port should have no problems fitting inside with a mobile case on. And the size is identical to the other cables I have. As for functionality, I compared the cable using the stock cable from Xiaomi together with the supplied charger. I am using the doctor charger to compare the amperes that the phone was drawing. The advertised current is 2.4 amps, but as the Redmi Note 4 can only accept charging up to 2 amps, I am unable to test the max amperes. But as you can see, the Xiaomi cable and the TechElect cable charges at nearly the same current. USB 2.0 on paper can transfer data up to 60 MB per second. To test the transfer rate, I use a 1.17 GB file and copy it to the phone using both stock and TechElect cable. The Xiaomi cable took about 36.92 seconds, whereas the TechElect cable took 37.51 seconds. The average for the stock cable is 31.690 MB per second, and the TechElect cable is 31.191 MB per second. It's not the greatest speed, as it is still USB 2.0. The cable has a good quality feel to it, and it performs like it should. The 2-meter cable ensures that you can be far away from the wall outlet and still get your battery charged. As for the price, it's a little on the pricey side, but it comes with a 12 months warranty. Not many cables have such a long warranty, and this goes to show that they are serious in making quality products. That's all for this video. Links are in the description if you want to check them out. If you enjoyed the video, I appreciate that you could leave a like and subscribe to see more of such tech videos. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.